Hello and welcome to Impact Yobe, the program that shines a spotlight on the activities and development across Yobe State, the pride of the Sahel. I am Mark Otabo. Welcome to Impact Yobe. Nigeria's First Lady, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, has inaugurated a digital learning center in Yobe State under the Renewed Hope Initiative Social Investment Program. The facility, located at the Shehu Sule College of Nursing in Damaturu, aims to boost digital literacy and empower young Nigerians for the modern economy. The Digital Learning Center, established in partnership with the National Information Technology Development Agency (NITDA), is part of a nationwide drive to expand access to technology-based education. Representing the First Lady at the inauguration, Hajia Yajalo Badama, the Yobe State Commissioner for Women Affairs, notes that 9 other centers have been established across states, including Abia, Edo, Delta, Katsina, Lagos, Nasarawa, Kano, Ondo, and Zamfara.
Distinguished personalities, ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of this center at the College of Nursing and Midwifery will no doubt expose and improve healthcare delivery that is torn with the changing times of the digital world. This will no doubt contribute immensely to the manpower requirement needed in the 142 primary healthcare centers established by the state government under the visionary leadership of our governor, His Excellency Dr. Mai Malabu, CON Kuroma Bujba Wali Matu.
Merely unveiling a building, but inaugurating a space of learning, innovation, and empowerment. This center stands as a symbol of our shared commitment to advancing education through technology and to ensure that every part of Nigeria benefits from the opportunity of the digital age. At NITDA, our vision is to harness information technology for national development. Guided by our Strategic Roadmap and Action Plan, STRAP 2.0, we are focused on key pillars such as digital literacy, capacity building, and digital infrastructure, all aimed at creating a digitally inclusive and knowledge-driven economy. This project demonstrates that vision in action. The Digital Learning Center will serve as a hub where students and educators can access modern ICT tools, enhance their learning experience, and acquire critical digital competencies, particularly important in today's health landscape.
It will play a crucial role in empowering our trainee nurses and midwives, and to provide them with essential and practical digital skills that are critical in providing effective and efficient services in the 21st century.
In total, 15 ICT centers have now been established across the country to expand access to digital education and skills training. In her visual speech, the First Lady emphasized that digital literacy is central to the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, aimed at driving economic diversification through industrialization and digitalization.
It presents another opportunity under the mandate of the Federal Ministry of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy to further expand digital access across the country. By providing communities with the resources required to develop ICT skills, thereby empowering our people to participate meaningfully in the digital economy. This aligns with one of the key priority areas of the Renewed Hope agenda of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR.
With the launch of the Yobe Center, the Renewed Hope Initiative continues to strengthen Nigeria's digital infrastructure, empowering communities with tools for learning and innovation. A high-level UN delegation touched down at the Damaturu Cargo International Airport, marking the beginning of a fact-finding mission in Yobe State. The purpose of the visit is to observe firsthand the implementation of the Durable Solutions Policy, an initiative designed to rebuild lives and restore livelihoods for internally displaced persons and the communities that have taken them in. From the airport, the delegation proceeded to the Government House for a courtesy visit where they were received by Deputy Governor Idi Barde Gubana.
And hope to our people. On behalf of the government and the resilient citizens of Yobe State, I extend our heartfelt appreciation for this visit and for the consistent support of the United Nations family in our journey towards peace, recovery, and sustainable development. No doubt, the solid project is perfectly aligned with our vision and is timely strategic intervention that will bring lasting peace and real hope to the affected communities. Over the years, USA has transitioned from the shadows of crisis to the level of stability. Yet, we are acutely aware that durable social displacement and vulnerable do not happen by accident. They are the results of deliberate policy, courageous leadership, and sustained partnerships. While appreciating your support in delivering these vital projects, here in Yobe, we have built a solid governance structure to anchor our recovery and development. We established the State Policy Advisory Committee on Durable Solutions, providing strategic oversight for the implementation of our multi-year state action plan on durable solutions SAP. We inaugurated the Security Planning and Coordinating Group, SPCG, a mechanism that ensures synergy among security agencies, community structure, and partners in maintaining safety and access. This is to ensure that it reflects the real needs of our people, focusing on health, welfare, recovery, and economic empowerment. If we empower rural productivity and farmers who make up more than 70% of our population, peace will naturally take its course. To achieve this, we have institutionalized a state working group on durable solutions with active FDA-level field coordination teams, ensure that solutions are implemented where they matter most.
The delegation led by senior UN officials commended the state's efforts in facilitating long-term recovery and pledged continued support for community stabilization.
We count in number of years, and sometimes we forget also the life that have been lost. We forgot the livelihood that have been lost. And as Rauf was saying, we don't measure it only in the displaced people. We measure it also on the host community, who more than any of us around this table have shown solidarity.
So I hope that your commitment continues in terms of financial sustainability, but also the engagement that you mentioned, including the private sector.
Yobe State has benefited from this fund, and it's also very important for us to see how the government has implemented the support that has been provided.
Following the meeting, the team visited the State Teaching Hospital where they toured medical facilities and held brief discussions with the Commissioner for Health.
It was an inspection tour that underscored the Governor Buni administration's commitment to infrastructure renewal in Yobe State. Governor Mai Mala Buni, accompanied by top government officials, visited the Damaturu flyover and underpass construction sites.
As being assured by the contractor handling the project that this project will be completed in January, so we are highly happy and grateful that our people will soon start benefiting from this project, and by the grace of God, it will stand the test of time.
The State Commissioner for Works, Umar Wakil, assured the governor that the engineers from the ministry have been closely monitoring every stage of construction to ensure compliance and value for money. Inspecting the Damaturu-Gambiri Road, Governor Boni emphasized its economic importance, saying it would ease the transportation of agricultural produce from rural communities to the state capital.
In our determination to boost agriculture in Yobe State, this road is going to serve and is going to be very, very significant, and it will be impactful for the communities that will benefit from the roads. And not only that, you know, of course, when you want to build community, they said build roads. So there is no limit to what a road can do.
There are 3 dams to control the water that is going inside Damaturu. The water, they cannot stop the water, all of it, but these 3 dams, when constructed, will reduce the volume of water that is going inside Damaturu.
For residents of Damaturu and the surrounding communities, the project holds the promise of reducing travel time, improved economic activities, and a lasting solution to perennial flooding challenges.
By the Commissioner of Women Affairs. I want to extend, Honorable Commissioner, our own assurance to you so that it can be conveyed down here in the national, that this intervention is being donated at the right time, in the right place, and in the right direction. Simply because we are all aware that New Hope Initiative is about empowering women and girls. And I want to assure Honorable Commissioner that at the moment, the college is having 85% of the population are females. Therefore, be rest assured that you can utilize this.
With immense sense of satisfaction and pride that we are here today for the commissioning of NIDDA Digital Learning Center at our beloved Sheikh Usude College of Nursing and Midwifery, Damaturu, as part of the visionary digitalization process of the Renewed Hope Initiative in collaboration with NIDDA. This is more than just a center, it is a gateway to the future. This center is timely. It will play a crucial role in empowering our trainee nurses and midwives and to provide them with essential and practical digital skills that are critical in providing effective and efficient services in the 21st century. This effort aligns perfectly with the comprehensive digital transformation agenda being championed by our digital governor, His Excellency Honorable Dr. Mai Mala Buni, CON, here in Yobe State. I wish to extend our deepest gratitude to Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the chairperson of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Senator Olubimi Tinubu, CON, for her commitment to these initiatives. We also appreciate our mother, Her Excellency, Yobe State First Lady and the State Coordinator of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Hajia Hafsat Kolore Buni, for her effort in ensuring the success of this vital project. To our elder brother, Director General NIDDA, we say thank you so much for making this project a dream come true. These facilities represent a significant step toward building a truly digital and prosperous Yobe State. Thank you very much.
The Provost, Hajia, who have lectured us this morning, thank you so much for that elaborate. Thank you very much for that. I think for that insightful talk this morning. My indefatigable DG of Yobe State National Information Technology Development Agency, Dr. Adam Muhammad. In fact, we have been enjoying the hospitality of Yobe State since our coming, courtesy of the DG Yitzda. Thank you very much for making our stay very comfortable. This center stands as a symbol of our shared commitment to advancing education through technology and to ensure that every part of Nigeria benefits from the opportunity of the digital age. At NIDA, our vision is to harness information technology for national development. Guided by our strategic roadmap and action plan, STRAT 2.0, we are focused on key pillars such as digital literacy, capacity building, and digital infrastructure, all aimed at creating a digitally inclusive and knowledge-driven economy. Let me also acknowledge and commend the government of Yobe State under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Mai Mala Buni for his forward-looking commitment to ICT development. I equally appreciate the Yobe State Information Technology Development Agency and its DG and CEO, Dr. Adam K. Muhammad, for their invaluable collaboration and support in ensuring the success of this project. This partnership between NIDA and NITDA exemplifies the kind of synergy we need to drive digital transformation across all states of the Federation. To the management and students of Shehu School of Nursing, I encourage you to take full advantage of this facility, explore it, innovate with it, and sustain it. Let this center be a beacon of opportunity and a catalyst for excellence in digital learning and health education in Yobe State. Once again, I warmly welcome you all and thank you for honoring our invitation. Together, we will continue to build a digitally empowered and prosperous Nigeria. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Chairperson of the Renew Hope Initiative, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, COA, and Her Excellency Hafsat Buni Kollere. This demonstrates your love, passion, and concern for women, children, and vulnerable persons in Yobe State. I want to assure Her Excellency that we appreciate this show of love and hold it in high esteem. Thank you, Her Excellency.
The First Lady of Yobe State, Her Excellency Hajia Hafsat Kolori Buni. I am delighted to virtually commission 10 digital learning centers newly equipped by the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, in collaboration with the Renewed Hope Initiative under RHI Social Investment Program. On this note, to the glory of God, I hereby officially commission and hand over 10 NITDA RHI digital learning centers in Umuahia, Abia State, Asaba Delta State, Isha Central Edo State, Sayama Kano State, Matazu Katsina State, Ikorodu Lagos State, Lafia Nasarawa State, Ilaya Mokin Ondo State, Damaturu Yobe State, and the 10th in Gusau Zamfara State for the advancement of digital literacy and inclusive growth across our nation. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you so much, NISDA and YITDA, for turning our dreams into reality.
We sincerely appreciate the effort of NISDA, YITDA, and the Renewed Hope Initiative. Thank you so much.
Express our sincere gratitude and thanks to Renewed Hope Initiative, YITDA, and NISDA. Thank you so much.
I sincerely appreciate NISDA and YITDA for their immense support, guidance, and opportunity throughout this program.
They call it Digital Learning Center, but it's more than that. It gathers dreamers, restore possibilities. It brings dreamers to screens that connect us to the world. Fasaha ta dawo gida, mafarki ya tabbata. With Renewed Hope Initiative, even the skies was digitalized. Thank you.
Honestly, this center will go a long way in training young women, especially our young nurses and midwives. We are committed to utilizing this center to its fullest potential. That is why we have already initiated the Women in Tech Hub within the facility to empower our young girls with the necessary skills and tools. We once again sincerely thank Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the chairperson of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Senator Olurimi Tinubu, CON, for her unwavering commitment to this initiative. Our gratitude also extends to our mother, Her Excellency, the Yobe State First Lady, and the coordinator of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Hajia Hafsat Kolere Buni, for her tireless efforts in ensuring the success of this vital project.
And that's all we have for you on this week's edition of Impact Yobe. Join us next week for a fresh episode of the program. I am Marco Tabo. See you next time.